lie down on your abdomen. Try to keep your heel closer, your palms near your side of your chest. Now inhale and then come up such that the navel point touches on the mat. Above your navel, nothing should be on the mat. Okay? Lift your chin up, look at the ceiling. Stay here for 5 breaths. When you stay here for 5 breaths, put all your upper body weight on your middle back and strengthen your middle back as much as possible. And exhale down. Now we'll do one more variation in Bhujangasana. The same thing, inhale and come up such that the navel point touches the mat and gently lift your hands off the mat. Stay here, shift all the body weight towards your lower back and strengthen your lower back. Exhale down. Now gently place your hands down in between your shoulders and your pelvic bone. Open your legs slightly out. Inhale and then come up. Now lift your navel above the ground level. Push your pelvic bone down. Protrude your pelvic bone down and then elbow straight. Push the shoulders back. Drop your neck back and then arch. Down. Now the same thing again, join your legs together, heel together. When you join your legs together, your arch will not be more, but your spine stretch will be more. Inhale, lengthen your spine, create a space between your pelvic and your rib cages, and then arch back. Squeeze your butt, drop your shoulders back, and then arch. Mouth closed, upper jaw and lower jaw in contact with each other. Exhale down. Once you're done, you can go for Bhujangasana. Stay here for 2 to 3 breaths.
For this, we will start in a tabletop position, keeping our thighs hip width apart, toes tucked out, and our palms firmly grounded on the mat. Make sure that your wrist, elbow and shoulder are all in a straight line. Now from here, take a deep breath in, lift your head up, chest up and arch your lower back, and exhale. Bring your chin towards your chest and imagine your upper back is trying to reach towards the sky. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift your head up and chest up. Exhale, curve your upper back, pull it towards the sky. Try to touch your chin to the throat. One more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Now go down to child's pose or balasana and relax.
We're going to do a very simple breath practice. You're going to inhale and exhale through your nostrils. When you exhale, you're going to make a humming sound. The purpose of the sound is to extend your exhalation. So don't control your exhalation, let it go, be free and relax. Let's do this 4 times. Palms on the knees, eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Coming back to your normal breathing. Whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. This practice is called Bhramari Pranayama and it's a very safe practice, and if you don't have the time or the space to do your physical practice, just 10 to 12 breaths of Bhramari can really help you to center yourself and give you that grounding and remove any kind of fear and anxiety.
So now once you're ready, just come onto your knees and placing your elbows really firm and nice. Interlock your fingers and take a few deep breaths. Curl back your toes, and as you exhale, just slowly lift your knees and hips away from the mat. And putting your head down, breathe normally, inhale and exhale. Make sure your breath is really normal. So do this posture repetitively to gain the benefits. Once you're ready, slowly exhale, putting your knees down, relaxing your toes, and relax in child's pose.